Up first this evening, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has responded to news that the opposition will be seeking the court's advice on the latest round of states of public emergency declared in 8 parishes. Mr. Chuck insists the government did nothing wrong. Prince Moore has the details.
On Thursday, opposition leader Mark Golding signaled that he'll be seeking the court's advice on the government's use of back-to-back states of public emergency. The constitutionality of the use of the enhanced security measure has been a long-standing debate. But Justice Minister Delroy Chuck is insisting the government did nothing wrong.
The question of its constitutionality, no court has ever ruled that it is unconstitutional. So to the extent that the opposition wants to take it to court, that's okay. I have no doubt that, the powers of the Constitution gives the executive the opportunity in appropriate cases to call a state of emergency.
Mr. Chuck went further. He believes the 14-day duration of each SOE is not enough.
I was a part of the Constitutional Commission when we recommended 14 days. We should have recommended 30 days or 42 days. And that is one change in the Constitution that we should think about, moving it from 14 days to 30 days or 42 days. Because 14 days is not enough to really ensure that the violence producers are kept off the streets for some time.
The government continues to talk tough about interrupting criminal activities and dismantling gangs which have been wreaking havoc across sections of the island. The new Firearms Act took effect in November, and amendments to the Bail Act are expected sometime next year. In the meantime, calls for more partnership in fighting crime.
Apart from the legislation, you see, it's very important that we find the criminals. And that is where a partnership with the community, with the churches, that partnership is so important because it is a way for us to be able to not only deter those who want to use guns or to participate with gangs, but it can be a good deterrence, because the true deterrence is no criminal want to be caught. So if they know that the community, that there are community members that will expose them, then that is a good deterrence.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.